Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the features of the Gorilla Cart's 4GCG-NF Poly Dump Cart, an Amazon exclusive designed to make your outdoor projects a breeze. This robust garden cart boasts a 600-pound capacity, allowing you to tow all your essentials effortlessly, thanks to its 35.2 by 21.8-inch bed. One of its standout features is the patented quick-release dumping system, which makes unloading a cinch, while the tight-turning steering ensures easy maneuverability across various terrains. You'll never have to worry about flat tires again, as this cart comes equipped with 10-inch maintenance-free, flat-free tires engineered to tackle tough terrains. Assembly is hassle-free with its durable steel frame, and the sturdy poly tub is both easy to clean and rust-resistant, ensuring longevity. Gorilla carts are synonymous with years of quality and innovation, designed for strength and performance to help you complete projects of any size while having fun. Plus, this yard cart comes with a 1-year warranty, offering peace of mind as you tackle your outdoor tasks. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.